de Arriaga.
Named after the president in Portugal. Oh, it's Manuel Arriaga.
Walking down Manuel de Arriaga, strolling down Manuel de Arriaga, flowing down Manuel de Arriaga, flowing down Manuel de Arriaga. Meandering around in Macau, walling around in Macau, filming around in Macau, walking streets in Macau. Never a dull street to film while walking around in the streets of Macau.
Okay, there's a street sign right there called Manuel de Arriaga, which you can barely see, but I'm going to have lots of opportunities to film it later, and then I'll show you exactly where we are. So just to give you a little bit of idea of where we're going to be starting at, we're on this Avenida de Horta y Costa. And way over there, there's actually a bridge, and that bridge brings people over from the other side, like where the airport and ferry terminal is at. You can go through a tunnel or over the bridge right there. And then you kind of get into this area called Gosida. And our target street is going to be kind of running right through this Three Lanterns district. I'll explain that too. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, kind of a cool building. So we are going to be, it's kind of a little bit of a long street. We're going to film a little bit through it. The first thing we're going to stop by is the Three Lantern District, and the Three Lantern District is I'm just kind of try to show everything here. Got all these little shops. So we have gold, we have clothing, more watches, and this is going to lead into the Three Lanterns District, which we're going to go right through the middle, and then we're going to keep on going down. The restaurants as well. It's kind of well known. Okay. And okay, here we go. So this is part of this one. Got Burmese food. So Myanmar Chinese gourmet. And then right here, Macau Three Lamps. So Three Lamps is what this is called. So this particular street is going through it. Looks like there's a lot of different foods, but some of it would be a little bit more Burmese style. And some kind of Macau style stuff too. 1978. Pretty cool. So our street starts there. We're gonna go through the Three Lanterns District. I guess we're gonna go around like that. We're gonna go through the middle in a second. So now we're actually on a roundabout. But the only way to go through the middle into the third entrance district is to take the crosswalk, which is right here. Today is also Sunday, so there's a lot of people around today on a Sunday. Okay. So let me see. So our target street is all the way down that way. So we started down there, and then we came through to this little three entrance district, which is this whole area. And then I think our target street goes either down that way or down that way. We'll see when we get a little bit down that way. Yeah, and this through the entrance district was well known because let me see if we can see it, but there's like lanterns right in the middle right there. So you can see, I guess there's 2 or 3. Yeah, there's like 3 right there. So this was kind of like a new area where they were developing. And then when they developed into it, they called it the 3 lanterns. So you had 1, 2, 3. So I believe our street's going to continue down one of these 2. Down that way is actually a marketplace. So down that one, so that would be quite busy. Lots of people around everywhere today. And then we're going to continue. This is called Rotunda de Carlos de Maya, named after a previous governor. And then our target street is either to the left or to the right. We'll see in a second here. Let's go across here. Get the Indonesian market down that way. This is called Restauratiao. Let me just kind of walk into this a little bit. So this is like a Restauratiao, I believe is restoration. So maybe a street that they restored, and then the Indomart is right there. So sometimes there's a drink that I like that's I'll stop there sometimes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is we're just gonna walk into here a little bit. And this marketplace is quite crowded today. We're gonna walk briefly into it. I'm gonna kind of go around to the right as soon as I can. There we can. So there's definitely more down there, but I don't want to get too far away from our target street here. So what I'm going to do, it's a flower market right there. So the flower market. And I'm going to come back in here. And then I guess our street is actually going to be, now I know where it is. Now we're back in our marketplace. Really, really cool. So ours is going to be to the left. So now I'll know where it is exactly. So I believe it's going to be down this way. So yep, 3 entrance district, known for those 3 lights that were right in the middle. And then it's also heart of the Burmese community as well. Got some nice black and white tiles everywhere as well. So let's walk down it a little bit. Look for some street signs. It's kind of cool. Macau. Okay. So we have lots of people today on this Sunday. Check out that old car. BMW. Takoyaki restaurant. Bus stop on the other side. Nike, so we got some Nike shops. Medica. think I'm hearing, I think that's Indonesian. A lot of Indonesian and Burmese in this area. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk across. So that was part of our street here, all the way down. So there's our street right there, Rua de Manuel de Arriaga, and I think I can capture the street sign a little bit further down. Not too long ago I was in this park. We're gonna, this is all part of our Target Street too. We'll just kind of meander into the park briefly. There's some public bathrooms. Nice. So there's a little park in this area as well. Yeah, I just kind of walk. We'll just continue along this like this. There's a public bathroom down that way. Got some artwork right here. This was a little stretch that we missed. Then you have this kind of interesting buildings like this yellow one right there. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down. We're gonna try to cross the street. There's no crosswalk in this space. So I think to cross it, we're gonna have to go down a little bit. There's also some kind of cool artwork right there as well. There's our Target Street right there. Manuel de Arriaga. So we're gonna kind of go back. Okay. So I crossed it. It wasn't easy to cross. The reason I want to cross that is there's a reason for it. This little Eskimo, it's kind of cool. At nighttime this will be all lit up so you can see all the people all the way around, all that wrap around. That's our Target Street right there. Today Manuel de Arriaga. We're just going to capture a little bit in this area. So we started down that way. We went through 3 Lanchas district. There's a second park here, so there's actually 2 parks, and a lot of the Burmese community and Indonesian community here and there. And then we're going to continue up. Today's a Sunday, so there's a lot of people around today. I've never seen that one before. Hopeful. I think it has a grand opening because there's some flowers up there. And it's gonna get a little bit more chill and relaxed for me. And I don't know if I have filmed this whole street from end to end before. So I think today I'm gonna make a goal of filming it end to end. If I have done that before, that's great. Might have. More interesting stuff down here. This is like Barca. It's called Barca Lane. Okay, there's a little Thai place. We need Thailand. We need Thailand. It looks like they have little stuff over there. Really curious. We're gonna walk. Oh, okay. This is also kind of a sign of the times. Skull Panda. So those are quite famous. Oh, that's actually a little K-pop one right there too. September Pro. Okay, I want to go back to the other side. Oops, it's this one. I'm gonna go back to the other side because it's better for filming. It's better because all the cars park on the other side, and this one the cars do not park, so it's easier for me to see everything. I don't have to put my camera over the lens. The baby store. Fruits. The other thing too, there's a lot of little like wholesale stuff. Like here's a little Vietnam stuff, fruit snacks. Looks like maybe American, organic, maybe American, possibly. Cookies from Tide. So you can buy Tide, Dollar. Those Tide ones are more desirable. Okay. So we're almost at the end of our street here. It looks like today I'm actually gonna do the whole street all the way through. So we almost finished the street. As an aside, this is like a real fast-moving one-way street that just goes right through here. So a lot of fast-moving cars. And that's our target street all the way down that way. And yeah, that's it. So they'll come around real fast, and we'll just kind of come in. I think they come in that side. I think all three sides, 1, 2, 3, and they'll come in real quick. Go right up there. Could be just 2 sides. Okay. So we just have a little bit further. Here's a sofa club. It's interesting. Okay, so we're gonna come to the very end of our street. So we actually filmed the street from end to end, which is probably the first time for me to film this particular street from end to end, as far as I'm aware. You can check it for me. Usually at the end of the videos, I always have the last time I was on the same street. So this is actually the end. This is a different street. There's Daiso. You can see Gia Hill Lighthouse way up at the top. So right all the way through here, there's Gia Lighthouse. I haven't been up there in quite a while. Probably should go up and film again. And this is Alfonso de Albuquerque. So that was our target street right here. So we're gonna end it for our video. Slice of Macau.